Blues. Joining us now, Knuckman and Scott Shellady, who are worth waking up for every Friday for Traders Unplugged. And I can see you are set to go a few rounds. So round number one, victory formation. The stock market rally is in the form of a V from its lows. Technically speaking, does it matter?
Well, the first thing I want to say, we're not in the why business, we're in the how business. So how do you make money except buying? Every single dip has rallied the distance of that sell-off positive. 2075 is my upside target in the S&P. How do you make money?
Well, it reminds me a lot about the V-shaped recovery that the president said we would have. So, considering the $4 trillion expansion of the balance sheet, this is a fantastic thing to buy into. Keep buying it. There's no downside. Every dip,
how do
go
you invest?
long.
How do you invest?
You be very careful at these levels. I'm not going to say that the market's going to come off, but if you've got Granny that dies that gives you $10 million, you're going to tell these people to rush out and put it in the market?
You can protect it. That's what the markets are for.
Yeah, we're buying puts. That's not a V-shaped recovery, is it?
Round number two, Alibaba is a major sell-off about to happen, so money managers can free up cash to buy the Alibaba IPO.
I think that is a great headline for folks looking for something to talk about. You think
that's what we do here.
Yeah, so we're going to really give a lot of airtime to the fact that people are going to start liquidating their positions so they can get in front of Alibaba and buy it. I don't think so. If you have the extra cash and they want to get involved, they will, but I don't see why there's any good reason so far to sell good performing stocks to get out there and buy something that hasn't really given us any good clues
That's
yet.
true. I like Yahoo. It's down 5% so far this year, but 40% in the last 52 weeks, and they've got a stake in Alibaba. It's going to be $20 billion, so it's going to be a big deal.
Round number three, Hotel No-Tell. It's being reported that hotels are bringing in $2 billion in sneaky charges. What's your play in the resort area?
Well, the H in hospitality is gone. Look what airlines did. Now hotels are doing this, these resort fees. I know I don't use the gym when I go, so why pay that extra $30? It's just pure profit.
Why would you use the gym?
But for the stock play, I like Starwood's.
You don't need the gym at all.
HOT. Look for about a $10 move. It's trading between 75 and 85. They are positioned. Half of their business is in foreign hotels. Emerging markets just made new highs. Believe it or not, the emerging markets. The death emerging markets did not happen.
5% of the people own 82% of the stocks. The other 95% really don't. They haven't really benefited from the subside in the stock market. So I'm staying with IHG. They've got Holiday Inn. Before we went on air, you're making fun of Holiday Inn. That's the only place I've ever stayed.
The Holidome. So, you're an everyman.
Holidome.
And I'm an elitist.
So that's exactly
Is that how it works?
Champagne liberal Charlie doesn't want to go to Holidome. I'm going to go stick with Holiday Inn, IHG. That's where I think the money's going to go in a tight economy.
In today's bonus round, it's ticker time for Labor Day. Which one is the fake ticker? W Day, Workday, USA, Liberty All-Star Equity Fund, or DOFF, Day Off for traders?
Day off.
Day off, yeah.
It's a day
Never
off.
day off.
Enjoy your day off. Thanks so much for being on the show. First Business continues, but after this.